Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Now we have good news. Adelle Tracy progresses to the women's semifinal for the 1500 meters, and Ackelia Smith, the world leader in the long jump, progresses to the finals in the women's long jump. Now let's break down each event. Now starting with the women's long jump, we had two entrants there. We had Ackelia Smith, as said, and of course we had Tisana Hicklin. The women have been on fire in the long jump this season. So even though, Ackelia Smith was a world leader, it would always be an uphill battle. However, they did face a further setback at the meet because there was torrential rain causing the event to be rescheduled. And as such, trackies, there were quite a few persons that did not make it to the finals. And I'm talking about big names. From America, we're talking about Quenisha Burks not making it through. We're talking about Beth Rumnachuk also not making it through to the finals. However, Ackelia Smith made it through to the finals for Jamaica. She was able to jump 6.78 meters, no, just 2 centimeters shy of the automatically qualifying mark, which was 6.80 meters. No, it was a clutch performance for Ackelia Smith. 2 fouls in her first 2 attempts, and you only get 3 tries. And on her last attempt, she was able to blast out to 6.78 meters. Not gonna lie, talk about a championship performer. She is. She did this in the NCAAs and she came back and she did it again, showing you that she has championship mettle. So I'm expecting Ackelia Smith to go out in that finals and hopefully challenge for a medal for Jamaica. I'm excited, and of course, I'm rooting for her 100%. Now, Tisana Hicklin unfortunately did not progress to the finals again. It was a struggle for a lot of the athletes because it was rescheduled. There was just so much rain, and of course, the runway they talked about, it not feeling the same way because again of the rain. She was only able to manage 6.29 meters, placing her 13th overall in Group A, and as such, she did not progress to the finals. Now, moving on to the women's 1500 meters, we had Adelle Tracy line up in Heat 4. Now, she was able to place 5th in this heat, and she ran a time of 4 minutes 03.67 seconds to qualify automatically for the finals. The first 6 athletes in each heat qualify for the finals, and as such, she qualified automatically because she placed 5th in her final. I did have her qualifying initially when I saw, the heat that she was running in. So I'm glad seeing her progress to the semifinal. So let's see, what happens with her when she gets to that round. That's the latest updates from a Jamaican perspective, trackies. Sound off in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. Like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in your next one. Bye.